Okay, so today we'll be converting an integer string into a list in Python. So how are we going to do it? First we'll talk about strings and let's get started. So we're going to create a variable first named x. X is equal to something, anything, any string. Yeah. Then the next thing is that we're going to type hl. We're going to just do it like add list outside, and then here, and then you're just going to print x. If you print this, then you get list here, hello. So what this is doing, that list is a built-in function in Python which lets us convert any string into a list in Python. There are many videos where people would do something like this: x is equal to 4i in range, something like that. It's very complicated, so you can just use this simple method for converting strings into a list in Python. Now, how to convert an input, which is a string, into into a list? So it's very simple. You're going to put list string input and input, and then it will be like an input and then just like that. Then you're going to do it like just print x. Okay, input, I'm going to type hello, and it's converted into list. This is how you convert a string and a list input a string into a list in Python. It's very simple. Now let me just like write the first code. List hello print x. Yeah, so this is for without input, and then this is for with input. Okay, now let's move forward to integers. Now let me just cut this part, the strings part. I'll add it afterwards. We're talking about converting integers. So now let me just explain it to you. If we use the list method that we were using earlier for any number like this, and if we just print x, then it will show us an error, because in Python int objects are not iterable, because like they can't be converted into a list because they are say different objects here. It's a bit complicated. So what we're going to do here is a different method. It's a bit complicated than the strings one, but it is the easiest one that you can convert, from which you can convert an integer into list. So what we're going to do is we're just going to write a number here. Then the next thing is that we're going to create another variable xl. You can name it anything. I'm just naming it xl because x list, like that. Then inside two square brackets you're going to write int x for x in str x, and that's it. You're just going to print this to check it once. Okay, and there you have it. You've converted this into a list. Now how to convert an input? It's the same way around. You're just going to change this into str input, enter enter num or something like that. And if you run this, okay, I'll be typing this number, and then you get a list like that. So this is how you convert integers and strings into lists in Python. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah, so just like that. I'll be posting the string and how to convert the string and all that in the source code below in the description. So be sure to check that out if you feel confused, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.